Eat the top 4 leafy green vegetables. You are what you eat. Everybody has heard that expression before, especially when it comes to eating and not to cooking. If you add a leafy green vegetable or two to your meals, it can provide fiber for your body. Like with water, they're both packed with nutrients for you and helps with bladder control. It's also the #1 way by eating regularly to improve health. Each leafy green vegetable will be great additions to any meal, or a smoothie, with plenty of nutrients for you and your body. Feel free to mix the greens up or add 1 or 2 to your dishes every day. Keep this list handy the next time you create your menus and head to the grocery store. Give me some kale. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse and a favorite green vegetable to use in almost any meal. It's an excellent source of vitamin A, C, and K, and sulfur-containing phytonutrients, a good amount of calcium, and provides folate and potassium. You can buy kale in salad kits, or cook them raw for a side dish. You can also add them to a smoothie. Depending on the variety, kale comes in a range of colors from cream to black. Before you cook with kale and other greens, swish them in a water-filled sink, drain it, and then repeat the rinsing. It's dirt-free. Try rubbing the leaves with tahini or olive oil, and then cook them with olive oil, broth, or garlic for 5 minutes. Meet the greens, collards and turnips. The second and third most widely used leafy green vegetables are collard and turnip greens. With a similar in nutritional value to kale, collards have a stronger cabbage-like taste and a heartier and chewier texture. They're also popular with the raw food movement when its leaves are used as a wrapper instead of tortillas and bread. In the South, collard greens are prepared the same way as kale with ham hock or a smoked turkey leg. Turnip greens, the most tender green vegetable, needs less cooking. Prepared with pork, they're a Southern favorite. They're loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, calcium and iron, magnesium and potassium. If you buy it with the tops on, you have 2 vegetables for the price of 1. The leafy green tops are popular with gardeners growing them across the USA, thanks to their hearty nutritional profile and assertive flavor. When you buy turnip greens, choose for consistent color, slender stems, and crispy leaves. Want some Swiss chard with your meal? Swiss chard is the 4th most used leafy green and fibrous vegetable. With red stems, stalks and veins, it has a beet-like taste and a soft texture that's perfect for sautéing. You can buy it raw and cook it with the same directions as for the greens and kale above. The oxalates are reduced by cooking and can bind to calcium, which is a concern for people prone to kidney stones. If you want a sweet and sour Swiss chard, add vinegar and raisins to your greens. Swiss chard is a good source of vitamins A, C and K, along with antioxidants and oxalates. It contains the recommended daily amount of potassium, present with magnesium. It also produces collagen in your body.